Hey everyone, so I'm gonna run you through my 5-step skincare routine using some of my favorite products from GRWM. So super easy. I have busy days ahead of me, so I need to get a skincare routine that's super quick. We're gonna start with the Dark Spot Corrector. I love this product. It is so great with evening my skin tone and just helping with any discoloration that I might have. Super lightweight and really easy to use. I like to put it right on my cheeks and a little bit on my forehead. Then I'm going to go in with the GRWM, and it's for bags and puffiness under my eyes. When I wake up in the morning, I definitely am prone to a little bit more under eye puffiness, so I like to have a nice serum that just gets me going and starts my day off right. So just a little bit of that under my eyes, in the corners. Just helps to brighten up the under eye area before I apply my makeup and everything else. I'm gonna go in on the second eye. And all you wanna do is just dab it on super lightly. The under eye area is super prone to wrinkles and is the thinnest skin on your face. So you wanna be very careful with how much you pull in this area. Perfect. So that's gonna help get rid of all the puffiness under my eyes and in this area. I'm gonna go in next with the jawline treatment. This is amazing. It's been a game changer for me. This just tightens and tones the jawline and neck area, which everyone needs a little bit of. So we just apply that here and down the neck. Oh, feels so good too. It's so lightweight and really, really easy and breathable. So we're gonna let that dry. And then we're gonna go back to the under eyes because they need a little extra love. We are gonna do the under eye bag and wrinkle instant treatment. This completely gets rid of any type of bags or wrinkles that you have, and it's magic. It's amazing. So we go in. And again, we're just gonna pat this area because it's super sensitive. And you're gonna see, this is gonna look amazing. As soon as it dries, you're gonna be like, wow. And then we're gonna do the other eye. So we're gonna let that dry for about a couple minutes. Once we're letting that dry, we are going to go in with the anti-wrinkle treatment. This is a moisturizer just to lock everything in that we did prior, and it's amazing. Super lightweight again. I don't like wearing anything that's too creamy or too heavy, especially before I put makeup on. So love this anti-wrinkle moisturizer. I'm gonna put it on my forehead, and my cheeks, and just really rub it in. Super lightweight, and it's just amazing to have a nice, easy skincare routine before I put makeup on, or I can just leave the house like this. I love the way this moisturizer feels. Leaves me feeling glowy and just ready to start my day. And that's it. That is my 5-step skincare routine using all GRWM, and it's amazing.